Next up, Taco Bell brings back the... Oh, people were mentioning this on the chat yesterday because we had the whole taco story. Taco Bell brings back their Mexican pizza after a 2-year hiatus. The item is making a return after a petition urging the restaurant to bring it back garnered more than 200,000 signatures. Good Lord.
Wow.
People really want their Mexican pizza, Mo.
Right.
Do you want your Mexican pizza?
How am I eating this?
It
feels floppy.
You need to have a fork, I feel like. No?
You think you're cutting this into slices?
I don't know what you're doing. I think you got a fork. A Taco Bell favorite is making its return after a 2-year hiatus. On Monday, the fast food chain announced its popular Mexican pizza is officially returning on May 19 after going off the menu in 2020 when the chain was scaling items back due to COVID-19 pandemic. It's crazy just how long you would continue to scale back. I feel like you can pick that up. No?
Yeah, okay. It is sliced up.
It is sliced up.
Okay. Makes a little bit more
You
sense.
receive it sliced up, your Mexican pizza.
Oh, that looks so good.
Beloved item.
Will's hungry again.
So this is a case where one of these change.org petitions actually changes something. All you got to do is ask the fast food people. You got to ask them if you can give them more money. Hey, we want to give you more money, and they'll change. We're sick of not being able to give you money. They're like, oh, we'll change. No problem. You guys got money. It was created by Krish Jagirdar, an Indian American who noted the menu item is popular in the South Asian community. Interesting. Like many Indian Americans who grew up vegetarian, we had limited access to the fun fast food. So Taco Bell became a bridge to belonging in American culture for many kids, like me who grew up in immigrant households. That's what made it especially devastating when the Mexican pizza was pulled from menus. But I don't understand. Why is the Mexican pizza not vegetarian? Or does the kid grow up vegetarian and then...
No, it could be vegetarian because they have their like vegetarian meat.
I know, but he didn't grow up with that's a new development, the vegetarian meat.
Right.
Can he get the Mexican pizza made with beans?
Maybe that's what it is.
It's very interesting. He says, growing up vegetarian, I had to get into it. I guess you can make it on your own. That's what.
Wait a minute.
Will's gonna make it on his own
Taco Bell style. Oh,
style. Like you can make it at home. I feel like Will might make it at home. He's quite a chef. I don't know if you knew that he's quite a chef.
yeah. I mean, this looks great.
It's
so colorful.
It does look great.
Happy.
Will, are you picking this up on your way home?
Oh, I really want to.
So, did they say a price? What are we gonna pay for this guy? We finally did it. The Mexican pizza is coming back $5.19. Oh, we gotta wait a little bit. Not quite back yet. Singer Doja Cat, who partners with Taco Bell, was among the first to confirm the news of the Mexican pizza's return during her Coachella performance. I brought back the Mexican pizza, by the way.
At a Coachella stage performance.
You like that one, Will? She literally dropped the mic with the hot news.
That's funny.
That's some next level marketing. They're like, how much for a shout out during your Coachella performance? She's like, talk to my manager. Yeah. Talk to my agent. They cut a deal. She's on stage. She goes, I brought back the Mexican pizza, by the way. And then drops the mic. And everyone's like, what is she talking about?
Well, let's dance.
or they're like, yeah, that's what we wanted. Oh, for those that don't know, the pizza can be ordered without seasoned meat, making it a favorite for vegetarians, Mo. It consists of crispy flour shells, beans, pizza sauce, melted cheese, and tomatoes. You can have it as a vegetarian, Mo.
There we go. We figured it out.
Cool.
You know the thing that always got me about that, Mo?
What's that?
Maybe I shouldn't go into it.
Oh, no, but you got to. You got to.
Like, okay, so the vegetarian options at places that sell and distribute boatloads of meat.
You're still supporting.
You're like, have my money to go buy more meat for everyone else.
Right.
I'm going to leave it at that. It is... But
What's their alternatives, man?
I know. It's tough. It's tough out there. And by the way, it's not a criticism. I'm just saying it's interesting that we look to our fast food partners to solve our vegetarian problem.
Exactly.
While they've simultaneously convinced the world to eat meat at every single meal, multiple times.
Also, isn't there like cross contamination?
Don't start talking from.
I'm
You're
sorry,
spoiling.
I
You're
just brought
spoiling
it
the
up.
fun, Will.
I apologize to everyone.
You better stop. You best put that away right there.
Yeah.
So, but people have other reasons for it. It might be health related too. In which case, you're trying to limit the meat that you're eating or whatever it is. But you got to wonder what Taco Bell's up to, because you eat some of that stuff and you're just like, why is this? What's going on here? Why is this so addictive? Like, what's happening in
What's
here?
going on with my stomach?
Oh, and that happens after. You're like, what exactly took place over here? What did I sign up for? Let's just celebrate the Mexican pizza and not go into it, Mo.
Okay.
I know you prodded me to go into it, but
Yeah, I did.
you know, it's like, man, I love the vegetarian options at Taco Bell. Man, I love the vegetarian options at Taco Bell. I'm there 3 times a day.
What do you think, Lou?
Okay.
Just
What's
kind of, I
next?
know it's just kind of funny. You know what I mean? Man, I love the vegetables at the steakhouse. Love it. They're the best. I go there just for the vegetables.
Right.
Yeah. They do have good vegetables.
The steakhouse?
The keg
Oh, yeah. I know. Yeah, well, they do. But
and mashed potatoes.
Oh man,
yeah.
guys, I'm hungry.
Life is complicated, isn't it? It's like for example, all the soft drink companies bought all the water companies,
Right.
or the cigarette companies they bought the
Yeah.
Nicorette or
Yeah.
whatever. Life is complicated, man. You think you're doing something, you're
Right.
doing the opposite.
They're making money off you either way.
You think you're doing things.
Yeah.
You think your little minor actions are mega because they're yours.
Nothing's pure anymore.
It's just, yeah.
But that's okay. You should still do what you want to do.
Big. Go ahead, Mo.
Well, just like, even if it doesn't affect like the grand scheme of
Yeah,
things.
maybe it's just the principle.
Yeah, and also like your own personal mental health.
Go ahead, Mo.
Like, if I want to eat a vegetarian burger because I don't want to feel like I'm contributing, and although maybe it's a little bit of a lie or deceiving,
Well, are you suggesting that ignorance is bliss?
yes, a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
That
And that's okay.
that in certain
That's okay.
Thanks, Will. Will had my back there, man.
It's all shades of many grays.
Yeah.
Nothing's never black and
and
white.
it's okay. And it's okay. We're all nodding, looking at each other. I think it's okay. What do you think? Is it?
I
okay?
have no teeth. I remember. Just like old men.
Oh, the way I see it, it's okay. The more I think about it, it's okay.
Yeah.
Shout out Adam's apple. Yeah. Well, Mo, you got to understand there's a limitation to the ignorance is bliss thing, because then all of a sudden you're out of control. You're saying yes to everything.
Yes, I know.
You're just going, I don't want to think about it. Drive down the road. Woo! Mo told,
It's okay.
Mo told me it's okay. Just eating a Mexican pizza. 200 miles an hour. And I got to do what I want to do.